In this material, we will introduce you to the first module, which is managing departments in your company. First, log in to the application at zpe.processapp.pl and go to the Company tab in the left-hand menu. The Department Management module is the first module on the left. Department Management allows you to define, visualize, and manage your company's organizational structure. In this module, you will create departments, assign roles, and build a clear dependency diagram. For more details, click the Show More button. The application will present the purpose of the module as well as its manual functionalities. Now let's move on to the module by clicking the green Go to Module button. First, the application will ask you to fill in your company details. This will be necessary for further work with artificial intelligence. To enter your company information, click on the message on the blue background, or expand the Company tab in the left-hand menu and select Information. Now, simply enter the company name and website by clicking on the pencil icon. Once the data has been entered, click on the Fill with AI button, marked with a star symbol, and wait a moment. After a short time, the application will fill in details such as the description of your business, your company's mission and vision, main products and services, quality standards, and number of employees. You can edit the generated data by clicking on the pencil icon and entering the relevant details. Let us now return to the previous view of the Department Management module. To generate departments using AI, click the Generate with AI button. Based on the information you have entered, the application will suggest departments that may be present in your company. You can accept or reject departments by selecting the ones you are interested in from the list. To add a single department, click the plus sign next to its tile. To add all of them, click Add All. In the application view, you will now see a preview of all previously generated departments. You also have the option to add departments manually. To do this, click on the green plus icon in the bottom right corner and enter details such as the department name, owner, type, and content, then click Save. To maintain the correct view of the departments, use the Arrange option. To do this, click on the white wand icon. After a moment, the application will suggest a view that you can approve or reject. You can also move the department tiles manually by clicking on them and then moving them to the appropriate place. The application also gives you several other options. Using the exclamation mark button on the right, you can create and assign a problem, idea, improvement, or question to a specific department. The second icon is an assistant with whom you can consult your ideas and ask questions. We will describe these two elements in more detail in our future materials. You also have the option of entering data directly into each section. First, let's focus on the light bulb icon. This feature allows you to suggest areas for optimization. After clicking on this icon, after a short while you will receive a list of suggested projects that you can add or reject. All created projects will appear in the Areas and Projects module in the Optimization tab. We will discuss this module in later materials. Another feature is the ability to generate indicators for departments. Click on Suggest KPIs. After a moment, the indicators will be suggested. Select the ones that meet your expectations and accept them by clicking on Create Selected Indicators. The indicators will appear in the Optimization tab in the Indicators module. We will also discuss this module in more detail in our next lessons. From the tile, you can also report a problem, idea, improvement, or question, as well as generate processes that will be dedicated to that department. In this case, click on the star icon and wait a moment. In the window that appears, select the processes you want to accept, and then click Save Selected. The processes will be visible in the Company section of the Process Mapping module. That's it. You now know all about the capabilities of the Department Management module. In the next materials, we will present the other modules and their functionalities one by one. We invite you to visit zpe.processapp.pl. Create a free account and test the capabilities of the application. If you have any questions, we are at your disposal.